is Rise. So today, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Deb and this is Tom, and you're watching Cattail Acres on YouTube. And today we are trying probably the 3 top competitors for mushroom coffees. And that is the Rise mushroom coffee, the Everyday Dose, and the Four Sigmatic. Now the Four Sigmatic, these each have more than one kind of mushroom. This one just has chaga, but it also has ashwagandha and eleuthero in it, which are adaptogens. So,
alrighty.
Yeah, good stuff either way. So we're gonna unbox the Everyday Dose because they send you gifts with your coffee. And I've poured 3 cups.
They send you gifts?
Yeah. When you order your coffee, you get other stuff.
Yeah.
So I've got our cups ready with 8 ounces of hot water apiece. And I'm gonna open this box here, and they give you this really pretty presentation box and your instruction manual, basically. And then open this up. It's got packy stuff.
You can't see it.
You can't see
They
it?
can't.
They can't see it? No, they can't see it. So then it's packed in like that underneath this. And then you've got your coffee there. And othership. There's something there. They give you a sticker. That's a cool sticker. And what do we get? It says don't be shy. Let's see here. Oh, it's a frother.
There's that thing too that they put in there, if you can read it.
I think, what does that tell you? Oh, it tells you about your free monthly gifts. Oh, so our first monthly gift is a frother. I got this thing in case we didn't have a frother.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, so it comes with your frother. The first one does. And then they have, looks like month 2, they send you a storage vessel. It's like a glass storage vessel. And then month 3 is a tumbler. And then you got travel sachets. And then you get a mushroom glass. It's got little mushrooms on it. Awesome. So with that, we will try the Rise. If I can get it open, let me get the scissors. All right. It says tear me, but I can't tear it, so I'm gonna cut it.
Does this stuff show up backwards on the screen to them?
Let's see. I don't know. I'll have to watch it back and see. That's your Everyday Dose.
And in the back of it, they've got these
QR
recipes.
codes. Oh, they got recipes? Nice. Open sesame. How am I open? First challenge. Just opening the bag. Oh my goodness. There we go. I think I got it started. Justice wasn't that hard to open. There's that. I'll let you start on that. And then I'll open the Four Sigmatic. This one is more like, oh, this one's little individual ones in there. You get your little packets just like tea. But it is not in a tea bag.
Did you ever already tear the strip off of this?
Yes.
Let me see your scissors.
There you go. All right, so this blue one will be our Four Sigmatic. And this is the balanced blend of the Four Sigmatic. Let's see, tablespoon into your mug. Or does it have its own scoop? I didn't see a scoop. Let's see if I missed anything. Oh, I did. It's in there. It's in the packing stuff. So this comes with its own scoop too. So we'll do that. Add 1 scoop. And then I'm going to use the end of this frother to stir that up with, so we don't cross flavors. Alright, that's the Four Sigmatic, or no, that's the Everyday Dose in the black cup. Let's scooch that out of the way. And then the Four Sigmatic is in the blue cup. Scooch all that. And then the Rise, this one has 6 different mushrooms in it. And it's got the cordyceps reishi, lion's mane, shiitake, turkey tail, and king trumpet. So it's got really good, it says 2,000 milligrams mushrooms.
Mm.
That one was a little easier to tear, but I didn't tear it straight. I'll try it again. Here we go. That was definitely easier to open. And this wants a tablespoon. Okay. Well, they all dissolve pretty easily in the water, unlike some of those other drink things that you get. Some of those don't want to dissolve. So these all dissolved really easily, so that's nice. I like that that's a metal spoon with the Everyday Dose. All right, and the Rise is in the brown cup, so I kind of color coded them. You got blue with the Four Sig, black with the Dose, and brown with the Rise. So which one do you want to try first?
Oh, I'll just try this one here.
Try the Rise first?
Yeah.
All right.
Not different.
Yeah, it's different, but it's not bad. It's got a little more bitterness than our Maxwell House, but not enough to turn me off.
What's this one? Down in the middle.
That's the Everyday Dose. That's the one that Jess likes. Well, that's, to me, that's more like coffee. What do you think?
It's closer,
All right, last but not least, there is the Four Sigmatic. Yeah, I could drink either one of those.
That one's closer to coffee.
Yeah?
I would probably have to put another half a spoon in it.
A little weak for you.
Maybe.
What was the mildest of the three? In the mushroom flavor? Okay. So I could drink any one of these, but I think they are in order, actually, the way we like them. That's the most mushroomy. It's a little
Not
much for
really,
you?
yeah.
Okay. So I like that one, but he does not.
Yeah.
And it is the stouter one of the three. This one is the everyday dose, and it's still a little borderline for you. Okay. But I think that's much more like coffee that I'm used to. And then this one is probably the most like coffee as far as flavor goes.
As far as my taste is.
Well, for me, I can drink any of them, but this I think is more like our regular coffee. For me, this potency would be good, but you would probably add some more stuff to it.
I would probably just drink regular coffee.
You would still just drink the regular coffee.
But that's me.
And that's fine. But that's what I wanted, was to get your honest opinion
Yeah.
of mushroom coffees, and to see out of the three, if you were stranded on a desert island and you only had mushroom coffee, which would you rather have?
That one on the end.
The 4-Sig?
Yeah.
4-Sigmatic for the win?
But whatever was there is what I'd drink.
Right?
But I'd like to have that third one more than any of them.
You like the third one. All right, so as far as flavor goes, the 4-Sigmatic is the winner. But I'm gonna try each of these in turn over a series of days
Yeah.
and just see what they do, if anything, for my body.
Well, don't worry about me having it.
Okay. Well, thanks guys for joining us. That's our honest review of the top 3 competitors for mushroom coffee.
That's what it is.
Till next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.
All right.